Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another nail tutorial. I'm gonna jump right in here. I'm going to file off my older set and we are gonna create some beautiful birthday nails. I'm not gonna lie, it jumps around a little bit. I usually do like all my nails, but since these ones are pretty much all different, it does jump around. So I'm sorry, but I promise you it's worth it. So I will catch you back when we are done filing and file prepping. And we are cleansing the nail because I'm a habitual cleanser. So we are going to take Vitaprime, and you just need a very little like dot on your natural nail and it will spread out. I tend to kind of wipe mine around, but it's fine. Then once that's dry, I'm going to take tack, and I try to like push this into my nails because I want it to really stick. And then we are going to cure that. Coming in with my foundation, I use a soak-off gel. This is from Gelish, and it works great for me. And then we're going to cure that as well. Here I am taking my, oh crap, I don't want gel nails anymore. I'm just kidding. I'm taking one step and I am just putting that base layer down because I always like to have a clear base layer on my nails. And I find One Step really is probably my favorite gel that I put down. I have Cool Gel. I will use it in this tutorial, I believe. But One Step is definitely my favorite kind of clear gel. You can use it as a down base, on top. I mean, One Step literally means one step. You can use it pretty much anywhere in your process. Here we are going to do a pink and white nail. Now, I'm taking Pure White Buttercream. This is also from Elegance. And I am setting the foundation for the glitter. So it doesn't really need to be perfect. And it is definitely not perfect, like at all. And I am going to take Soft Pink Extreme. And I'm going to put it on the entire nail, kind of building up the apex a little bit, and put it all over. I did actually find a better tutorial for myself to learn how to do a pink and white, like if I wanted it to be just a normal pink and white, but we didn't. We wanted glitter. So I am taking the Cool Gel here, adding the tiniest amount of pink, tiniest amount, and making it come up to give it a little bit more pink. And this worked beautifully, and I loved this so much. You saw how little I took. So now we are going to add diamond to the tip. Did I need to go through all this? Probably not, but it turned out bomb, if I say so myself. So I'm okay with doing these steps because I love these nails so much. So that was Diamond. And then this is Bee in Your Bonnet, which is a more pink. It's kind of like, it is pink, but it kind of almost is like a baby pink. So having that other layer of pink underneath definitely helped this fade really well. So I am taking Cool Gel because I was running low on One Step and I hadn't ordered my new One Step, and I have definitely ordered it since then. But again, I took Cool Gel and I'm pretty good at being able to get a decent amount done, but my thumb I tend to do by itself. So I will definitely put this in its lamp by itself and then come to the rest of the nails. So we are going to do another pink and white and then a solid white. And I think at one point I put too much white on, forget, take some of it off. I'm not sure. It's about to happen. I don't know what I did and why I did it that way. I think I was trying to do it like I did my thumb, and I realized it just wasn't right. So I took a little bit off, but I'm putting this buttercream. I'm realizing I tend to place the buttercream super close to the cuticles, and I find that I shouldn't have to do that. So I definitely don't anymore. This is Bee in Your Bonnet, and I'm going to end up stamping over this. So I just do a solid glitter. Is solid glitter like an acceptable term? It's like a glitter, but it's not solid, but you know, anyway. So Soft Pink Extreme again to create that pink and white, and we know I'm not satisfied with just that. So I go in with that other pink here in a minute. And there it is. That was what's left over because I knew I would need more. I actually think I do take more at some point. Oh, I do. Yeah. So I just do that. And we're going to build the pinky and the pointer, I believe is what it is, with some Mylar. And I'm obsessed with this stuff. So this came out so cute. On the pinky, I took pink Mylar. And the pink Mylar I have is like a yellow. And there's some of it have a shift of blue and then some purple, but you can definitely see there's some clear pink ones and then some that have more of an iridescent look to them. So that was the pink ones. And then we're coming to the clear ones, which have an iridescent kind of feel with the pink and the purple and yellow. You will see some pink in there, but it's mostly purples and blues and clear. So it definitely has a little bit of a punch to it, but not like overly done. I feel like this was another one of like a great nail. I loved it so much. And don't worry, I take that pink off because I did not want that there. But these ones were a little bit smaller than the pink ones, which were fine because I'm gonna take, again, I jump all over the place. Like I said, I'm go into the pink and white nail for Diamond. But the funny thing is I'm not going to finish here in a minute. Like I'm about to put some sequin of events on those Mylar nails. So that is kind of what is in this one, is like Mylar flakes with some gel. I felt like the Mylar it was still beautiful, and I probably could have put more on to get this effect, but I knew I had sequin of events, but I know it wasn't, like my swatch was a little bit more yellow, so I wanted to add like a base color to it. I hope that's going to make sense. It probably won't. So I went ahead and did that all over the nail to smooth it out, but it's still not smooth yet because it's still going to have Mylar in it, but it's not going to be as rough as it was. And then we're going to take Bee in Your Bonnet and we're going to put that for our pink and white. And it's going to be beautiful. I love this one so much. I loved it. Just messing around with it. And then cure all that. And I'm going to take Cool Gel. And that's definitely going to help with the smoothness on the nails. I kid you not. This helped so much, which obviously you have to encapsulate it anyway, but this really, really helped it. And then I'm just going to build up an apex on them. So I do a slip layer, and then I come in with like a glob, and then do the left, right, and then down the sides to bring it. And then if you notice, I tilt my fingers forward when I'm going in, and you can kind of see that that like forces the gel down instead of into my cuticles. So we are going to file. Yay. And I'm going to put some music on because you don't need to listen to me talk anymore. All right, so we are going to make the pinky nail more pink. So I use that pink Mylar, and I wanted it to be a little bit more neon pink, but not like overly neon. So I did that, cured that. Now we're coming in with the Born Pretty Plate 27. We are going to do the second to the right, and I'm about to push real hard on this, and it's about to like come at your face. So I promise you, it is perfectly fine. I place, I'm like, how should I do this? I want to line it up. You have a second to line it up, but I just went in, boom. It was perfectly fine, I promise. It was just too aggressive. So I come in, put that on, and then I'm going to glue a little rhinestone. I took an AB, and it just added a little bit of a perfect touch to that nail. I really, really liked that touch. Going to do super shiny on all of the nails. No matte this time. I wanted all shiny because I wanted it to pop. And once you put that over the Mylar, oh my God, it pops so much. I loved it. And I always skip the one with the Swarovski crystals because I'm like overly careful with those. I love the pink one too. I really, really loved these nails. So again, you don't want to put the top coat over the crystal. So I come in as close as I can, and then I'm like, I can't get close enough. So I grab a little Q-tip, like the one I put with the crystal on, but I grabbed another one and did the top coat with that. So I built up essentially a wall around the crystal. And now we are in real time. I know I was talking over real time, but it's fine. I am just going to sit here, massage the stuff into my cuticles. I love this cuticle oil. It's probably my favorite I've ever used it. I've been doing nails a very long time. Not gel, but my own nails a very long time. And this is absolutely my favorite cuticle oil. And I'm not just saying that. Like, it really is. So I'm going to leave you here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.